was saying with the Obamacare, when you're saying if you don't have Obamacare, then you have to get it, and if you don't have a job to pay for it, you still have to pay a fee. So having the law will just make people don't have jobs and can't afford anything to help their family. It would just make it worse because they have to pay the fee. And it would just be 5 times cheaper for them to not even have that health care. Because if they don't get injured or sick or anything, then they don't need the health care to pay. And the Obamacare law is just taking away the rights because it's making people have to get health care, or they'll just have to pay. So they don't have a choice of what they want. And if you already have health care that you like and you want to stay with and you've been with, then you can't stay on it. You have to switch to Obamacare with the law. So people who, like, they know the doctors and they know the insurance and they like it, they've been with it, then they still have to switch from it. And so that just, again, takes the rights away from people that have their own health care already. And if again, with it takes $6 billion away from Medicare to go for Obamacare and the billboards and advertisement and everything. It's just taking away money from people who need it when they don't really need to pay for it. And the entitled to the 300,000 home that would make minimum wage a candidate. When you eat off of food stamps, that is why most people feel that they're entitled to everything in Obamacare. And when you're eating off of food stamps, then you don't have enough money to buy the food for yourself. So having to pay the fee or having to pay for Obamacare will just make it worse in money-wise. And even with Obamacare, when you get hurt or sick or break something and you have to pay for the bill, it doesn't pay for the whole thing, so you still have to pay it for yourself. So it's you have to pay for Obamacare, and then if you get hurt or sick, you still have to pay part of your bill.